Hey mads! Good afternoon. Time check, it's 2 p.m. at hindi pa ako nag-lunch at ngayon ko lang naisip mag-lunch. Diba? Ang galing. But anyways, I wanna do something nice today. Kaya naisip ko, I'm gonna do a pancake slash bacon for my lunch. It's my first time to do this, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, finally done cooking. It's so tiring. Ang ganda ng setup ng pagkagawa ko. Lalang. I'm so proud of myself. First time ko itong ginawa sa buong buhay ko. But anyways, let's have a taste test sa aking niluto. Try natin tong pancake. Sana masarap, no? Kasi ang dami ko pa namang ginawa. Okay, let's try. Not bad. Ang sarap niya. Siguro kung i-rate ko to, mga 9 out of 10. Kasi masarap talaga siya, especially nung nilagay ko yung bacon sa pancake. Grabe, so delicious. Try naman natin yung bacon na sunog. Ang hirap pala lutuin ng bacon kasi bawal siyang ma-overcook. So let's try. Lasang sunog. It's okay. I'm vlogging. What's DOB? Date of birth?
Yes.
Okay.
Excellent. Have a seat, Martin. Lean next to me, yes.
Yeah, because I have veneers on.
So you tend to vlog everything when you go around?
Yeah, because that's my work. Like the one on YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah, something like that.
Excellent. So you have a special name when we go and Google you?
Yeah, just my name, like Lizzy Abujan.
I'm just going to put the pillow behind your ear so you feel more comfortable. Double click. I'm going to give you glasses to protect your eyes. Okay. How does it look? Nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I book your appointment to see the hygienist?
Next month? Yes, please. They're so nice, guys. They gave me a complimentary stuff. It's so cute. Actually, meron na ako nito sa bahay, pero I'm still amazed kasi ang nice nila. Hi! I wanted to do the pedicure spa with normal. I'm about to go out this sana. But, meron akong dumating na package today. And ang tagal ko na siyang iniintay. Finally, it's here! Ayan na siya. It's from a package from Shein. Actually, nung isang araw ko pa talaga to inaantay. Kasi lagi nilang sinasabi na deliver na daw. Pero, hindi pa naman dumadating dito sa bahay ko. I was really worried kasi baka na-deliver sa ibang bahay. Kaya kinukulit ko yung NZ post about my package. And finally, it's here. And gusto ko siyang i-unbox kasama kayo. So, let's unbox this one. So, if you're like me na nahihirapan maglinis ng shoes, ilalagay mo lang yung shoes mo dito, tapos pwede mo na siyang ilagay sa laundry. Ito naman, bumili ako ng 2 panties sa Shein. Wala lang, gusto ko lang ng may remembrance from Shein. This one, I don't have any idea. Let's open it. Oh, okay. So, I got myself a sock kasi palamig na dito. Ito naman, another medyas. Pero mahaba siya. Ayan. Ito din, isa sa mga priority ko talaga na bilhin sa Shein. Bathroom organizer siya. Kasi yung CR ko dito, wala siyang lalagyanan sa mga sabon, shampoo, and conditioner. So, ididikit mo lang siya. Mamaya, isa-symbol ko to. My favorite part is itong in-order ko na Planet Humidifier sa Shein. Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng ganito dito sa kwarto ko. Kasi nung nasa Philippines pa ako, mahilig talaga ako mag-collect ng mga humidifier. Ang cute nito kasi planet style siya. So, ito naman guys, puro siya mga panlamig na damit, jacket, dress, at iba pa. So, hindi ko na ito papakita sa inyo. And that's it for our Shein unboxing. Yep.
You want a little bit higher?
Damn. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.